One of the things we talk about at forexmentor.com is session highs and lows. Now, what we show our members is that on any given day, you can tell if the market is an M1, M3 day or an M2, M4 day. On this particular day, for the euro, you can see the euro trending down, swooning down. It stops right here. What is this?
Hammer.
Who said hammer? Why don't you come up and get a... Just jump on the stage and grab whatever you want. There's CDs and there's a shirt, and take whatever grabs your fancy. You got that right, a hammer at a pivot level. Now, I'm not going to get into pivot levels extensively today, but it's one of the things we talk about at Forex Mentor. The big deal here is, look at this. Price stopped at M1 on an M1, M3 day and found support. Now, isn't that pretty cool? I've already told you about trading market opens and closes, and now I'm telling you that you can forecast the day's low and high. Isn't that pretty cool? This is real stuff. I'm not talking about fluff stuff here. This is real stuff that works. Where to buy and sell. Again, I don't have a lot of time to talk about pivots, but I use 9 pivot levels. I've added 4 of my own, M1 and M3. You can have an expected low of M1 and an expected high of M3 on any given day, or an expected low of M2, expected high of M4 on any given day. And we show you how to determine that. But to make a fat story thin, the area above the central pivot point has a sell bias. The area below the central pivot point has a buy bias. Now, this is not cast in stone. It doesn't mean to say you should always be buying below the central pivot point or selling above the central pivot point, but it's just one more clue for you to be aware of.